Light your eyes on fire.
I wonder how long this will go on for.
Now I'm here.
TylaDubya Beatbox channel.
That was a little OD, wasn't it? It was a little obnoxious, I would say. All the hand movements. I understand. Okay, I'll back off. I'll back off. I'll tie my hands behind my back. It's hard to beatbox without your hands. You don't understand. It's like a thing. Yo, what up, home skillets?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Now we're good. Can you hear that?
Ah.
Yeah. Hey, don't ever say you can't hear me again.
Anybody ever told you you look like TylaDubya?
Did anyone ever say that? Are you messing with me right now? Are we doing this?
Wait, hold on a second.
Are we doing this?
Oh my god, you are! Oh, it's the camera angle, man, I swear, it's the camera angle.
This is the same angle for all my Omegle videos.
I haven't seen any of your Omegle videos, I've only watched your tutorials.
Go, right now. Give me some.
No?
Right now, on the spot. Do it.
Routine. I want to paint it black.
Dude. I knew I recognized the melody when you started. I was like, I love this song. Like, what is it? And then you said, want to paint it black. I was like, oh, hell yeah. Brings me back to
Usually I
the damn
don't say
Guitar Hero
it,
days.
but everybody's like, yeah, that's where I got it from.
Yo, what up, dude?
Nothing.
Nothing, just chilling on Omegle.
Yep.
Somebody is making the bed. Oh yeah, making the bed. Oh yeah. Someone's got my tags up in here. Here. Anyone over there? Hello.
Dude,
Welcome to the world.
your beatboxing's been getting a little bit worse, just to be honest.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know you felt that way.
Yeah, man, I mean, you really just need to start working on it.
That's so bad. I'm sorry, man. I try to live up to your expectations, dude. Damn.
I saw you tweet, I was like, oh, I'm
Guys.
with him, like...
Marcus Veltri thinks I'm getting worse.
I'm kidding, dude!
I gotta
I'm
step up
kidding.
my game, YouTube. Alright? Ready.
I'm just eating my
Stepping
cereal,
up my
man.
game, stepping up my game, stepping up my game, stepping boom 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 boom, stepping up my fame, stepping up my fame.
Stepping up my game.
Stepping up my fame, stepping up. Stepping up my game. Dude, you gave me a nice
Guys,
freestyle. I like
yeah.
that. What's up, dude?
Damn!
Why are we laughing? Storm in the air. What are we doing? Are we just like having a rampage and tearing stuff now?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, give me something for
Give
a
me
video.
something
Come
for
on,
a video.
let's see.
Come on, let's see.
Alright, this is Little Wing by Jimi Hendrix, fingerstyle version. Yeah, I don't know.
Dude, no, I like that. I was vibing to it, man. That was good.
Vibing to it, man. That was
I
good.
appreciate that, thank you.
Yo, we sitting on Omegle. Light your ass on fire. Yo, what up?
Tyler, he got off.
Who's Tyla?
Fucking playing with me.
What? No, who's TylaDubya?
See, I didn't even say his last name, so go ahead. You already know who he is.
I already know who he is. He seems like a pretty chill guy.
Beatboxer.
I've only met him a
On
few
YouTube.
times. Have you ever met him?
No.
No. Yeah, I've met him a few times. He's a pretty nice guy.
Hi.
He's just an alright beatboxer. Oh my god! Alright, seriously, before you skip me, I am TylaDubya. Just throwing that out there. You were right, alright? Woo! Gotta get it out there. I couldn't tell if you were messing with me before, but, you know.
Wait, what? Seriously?
Yes.
God damn it,
I
bro.
was trying to mess with you and you had no idea and you skipped me, like.
Hi!
Yo, what up?
Hi.
Dude, how you doing, man?
I'm doing good. How are you doing? Why don't you beatbox for me? Beatbox.
I can beatbox for you. Alright.
I was sick.
Thank you. It's
I was so
freestyle.
sick. Maybe I'll try this one.
Cool, kill it.
I lost my headphone. Hold on. Alright. Let me try this one. I haven't done
Headphone
this one
in,
a while.
let's kill it.
I haven't done this one in a while. Okay. that one.
That was awesome. What
Hey.
song? What song is that? I recognize that.
The river flows
Yep.
in you or something
Yep.
like that.
Yep. Yeah. It's by
Something like I know it's
It
got
starts
river
with a Y.
in it.
It starts with a Y. I know that. It's like Yuma
Oh, I know
Uri or
that.
something like that.
it's got
It's like
river
it starts with a
by- I
Y.
think
It's like Yuma
They
Uri.
start
or
with a
something.
Y. It's like your
Yeah.
Ruma.
That's what I'm saying. It's something like that.
all go down together. Down.